Hey, babe, can you switch to the back seat? My mom would be more comfortable up front.
Wait, what? You want me to go to the back?
Yeah, just for the ride. It's no big deal.
No big deal. I'm your wife.
And she's my mother. I just want her to be comfortable.
So I have to be uncomfortable for that?
It's just a seat. Why are you making it a problem?
Because you're asking me to give up my place like I don't matter.
You're overreacting.
No, you're disrespecting me in front of her.
I'm just trying to take care of my mom.
And what about taking care of your wife?
Why can't you just be understanding?
Because you're putting her above me.
That's not true.
Then why am I the one moving?
Because it's easier.
No, because you expect me to always give in.
You're making this bigger than it is.
No, you just made it very clear where I stand.
So you're not going to move?
No. If your mom wants the front seat, maybe you should sit in the back.
Don't say that. That's disrespectful.
Disrespectful? You asked me to move like I'm optional.
I was just trying to be polite to her.
By being impolite to me?
It's just for this ride.
It's never just about the ride. It's about what it represents.
You're reading too much into this.
No, I'm finally reading it correctly.
She's older. I want her to be comfortable.
And I'm your partner. I deserve to feel respected.
Why does everything turn into a big issue with you?
Because small moments reveal big truths.
That's dramatic.
That's honest.
Please don't do this in front of her.
You already did.
I didn't mean to embarrass you.
Intent doesn't erase the feeling.
So what do you want me to do?
Treat me like I matter without me having to ask.
You do matter.
Then why am I always the one adjusting?
Because you're more understanding.
Or because you expect me to give in.
That's not fair.
What's not fair is always being the easier choice to inconvenience.
I'm stuck between you and my mom.
No. You're choosing comfort over clarity.
I just don't want conflict.
Avoiding conflict by creating resentment?
You're making this very hard.
Respect shouldn't be hard.
Fine. I'll sit in the back.
That's not the point.
Then what is?
I don't want you to move. I want you to understand.
Understand what?
That I shouldn't feel second place in my own marriage.
You're not second.
Then stop treating me like I am.
I didn't realize this bothered you so much.
Because you never looked at it from my side. I thought you'd just adjust. I'm tired of adjusting silently.
So what now?
Now, you choose the seat without asking me to shrink.
You think I'm asking you to shrink?
Yes, in small ways again and again.
Okay, you stay here. I'll ask Mom to sit in the back with me.
Thank you.
I should have thought about this differently.
I just needed you to see it differently.